fix Instagram keeps stopping on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open settings and, and then go to battery and make sure power saving mode is disabled, and if you found here performance mode, just enable it, and that's it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store or App Store and type here Instagram. Now make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found your update, just click on it, and that's it. If that also doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, now all you need to do, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video.